वेलकम जय हिंद डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट्स। आज का हमारा एसएसबी मॉक इंटरव्यू जो कि ऐश्वर्या चांद का है, जिन्होंने सीरियस एंट्री के लिए अपना रिकमेंडेशन प्राप्त किया है 19 एसएसबी बोर्ड इलाहाबाद से। आज के इस एसएसबी मॉक इंटरव्यू जो कि सर शिशिर दीक्षित ने लिया है, उससे आप ये देखेंगे कि शिशिर सर ने कैसे पहले ही ऐश्वर्या चांद को रिकमेंडेड घोषित कर दिया था। साथ ही साथ में इस इंटरव्यू में आपको जो बेसिक चीज़ नज़र आएगी वो होगी ट्रूथफुलनेस। जी हाँ, इस बच्ची की, बिकॉज अक्सर होता क्या है, कैंडिडेट्स एसएसबी इंटरव्यूज़ में ये सोचते हैं कि हम मैनिपुलेटिव बात करके या हमारे कुछ फैक्ट्स को हाइड करके हम एसएसबी इंटरव्यू में रिकमेंडेशन प्राप्त कर लेंगे। बट आज के इस इंटरव्यू में आप ये पाएंगे कि ऐसा नहीं है। ऐश्वर्या चांद ने कितना ऑनेस्टफुल अप्रोच और अपने ट्रूथफुलनेस के दम पर अपना रिकमेंडेशन प्राप्त किया है फ्रॉम 19 एसएसबी बोर्ड इलाहाबाद। हैव अ व्यू एंड ऑल्सो हैव अ व्यू हाउ द मॉक इंटरव्यूज आर कंडक्टेड एट सेंचुरियन डिफेंस अकेडमी। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।
So, in which language you are comfortable to communicate?
English, sir.
English, not Hindi.
Both.
If I ask you to communicate in Hindi, then
I will communicate.
what is your mother tongue?
Hindi.
Then, are you comfortable in Hindi also?
Yes.
अपने फैमिली बैकग्राउंड के बारे में हिंदी में बताइए. Then we will communicate in English.
सर, मेरे पापा जो हैं वो फार्मर हैं जो वीट और पैडी की खेती करते हैं। मेरी बहन जो है वो फॉरेस्ट रेंज ऑफिसर हैं जो यूपी पीसीएस एग्ज़ाम से गई हैं और अभी प्रेजेंटली वो कैश फोर्स में ट्रेनिंग कर रही हैं। मेरे भाई एमबीए करते हैं और वो बिजनेसमैन हैं जो कि कोरुगेटेड बॉक्सेस की ट्रेडिंग करते हैं। और मेरी भाभी भी हैं जो कि इवेंट मैनेजर हैं मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी में।
Okay, so all family members, now switch to English. All family members, they are from the corporate life. Okay, they are doing certain professional work in the corporate. Why you want to join Indian Armed Forces?
Sir, because I consider this as best opportunity to serve nation as soon as possible. At age of 21, I see it as the best opportunity, and according to principle of Ikigai, we should do things which you love, second which you are paid for, and what society needs, and what you are good at. And I think that these all four factors come in armed force.
So you follow Japanese principle Ikigai,
Sir,
Japanese
not.
concept. What do you mean by Ikigai?
I was just inspired by the
Book.
thoughts. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is gist of this book?
Sir, it is basically how you live life, how you should get time to work for yourself, and how you should work. Basically, it tells you about how you should work in your daily life.
Okay, so tell me, if you have read this book, then let me know why the average age of a Japanese resident is longer than Indian citizen.
Sir, I haven't read the book whole. I just read few pages of it. But what I have seen from the present gist is that they used to get some time after work in meditations and all that stuff, and they eat a good food for health. And I think these factors are doing great for the long life of Japanese.
Okay, Shreya, let me know about your friend circle.
Yes, sir.
And tell me about your 5 strengths, your 5 weaknesses, your hobbies, your interest, your routine of working days, and let me know why only Air Force, why you opted AFCAT. Okay, what about your CDS examination? And also tell me what your father says about you, what is your ultimate goal in your life, and how did you prepare for SSB? And also tell me how you manage your time to prepare for competitive examination. And also let me know that who motivated you to join or to prepare for Indian Armed Forces, who is your role model, about your favorite teacher, about your best friend, and about your favorite book.
Sir, I have a group of friends 12 are my core members, in which Divya, Bhati, Tanvi, Gunjan, Mohit, Shrijan, and some others. I won't spell all the names. We actually became friends in college life, and we had the same society and same class, that is BSc Life Science. We used to go out daily and to somewhere when the break is there, and we used to do chattings and all in four more things. And my friends are very supportive. Then about my weaknesses, I think I don't have major weaknesses, but I have some areas for work. Like I have a little bit weak vocabulary, but I think that I know how to inculcate those words into a sentence very efficiently, until and unless Shashi Tharoor has a direct communication with me. Second, I think I have a thin body weight, which indicates that I am a little bit less in stamina, but I think I will do great success in areas of flexibility, as I have a little, I have less weight. Third, sir, I think I ignore some minor things in course to achieve my main aim. So in this, I think I am focused about one thing. In the process, I used to neglect few others things. But I am working on it. I will definitely focus on areas. Fourth, I think, sir, I don't communicate a lot on phones and chats with my friends, as I don't have much time to communicate with them. As a result, they are little bit drifting apart, but I will try to inculcate all of them together once I get my job done. Fifth, sir, I do a little help in households, as I don't, same reason I don't have much time to help my mother, but I try to make rotis and all whenever I get time to help. And about my strength, I'm an honest person, and and my friends always tell me about their secrets and everything, and also I try to help them emotionally as well as physically. In terms of emotional support, obviously in sometimes my friends are broken down and for some reasons, and in physical support I have supported them when they contested for the president post in college university. Also I'm very I can easily join people far and near, as I used to communicate with my relatives and get them connected with my parents. Even my parents don't know some of them. And third, sir, I think I am very dedicated toward a thing, and I easily don't give up on some things, and I am very focused about it. Fourth, sir, I have a good general knowledge, but still I am improving on it, as I don't have much perfection in it. Yes, sir. And sir, about my family, my inspiration is my sister. She is a very dedicated person. In the beginning of her age, she started tutoring people, and at the age of, I think, in 8th class she started tutoring people, and by collecting money, at that time we were not financially stable. At that time she helped family, and then she also cleared SSC and became a accountant in postal department. And after that she didn't give up on her dream, what she actually wanted. She pursued UPSC, and though she don't get much time, but she still gave all her efforts and cleared forest range officer post by UPPCS examination. And also I have inspiration from famous freedom fighters like Rani Lakshmi Bai and Nike Devi, who are really a great person in the history.